Hello, good evening all. Myself Anil Kumar Chotu, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, MC Motihari. Today I am discuss about highway plan in India. So first, as we know that first highway plan is Nagpur highway plan, that is 20-year plan, and there are few points we will discuss here. Road are divided in 5 classes, that is national highway. What is purpose of national, which would pass through the states and places having national importance for strategic, administrative and other purposes. Then we have state highway, which would be the other main roads of the state. Then we have district highway, which will take traffic from the main roads of the interior of the district. Other district road which connect the district road, and village road which would like link the village to the road system. And this is the important point of this plan, that is committee decide to construct 2 lakh kilometer of road across the country within 20 years. Another important point is road density. One of the objective was to road length should be increased so as to give a road density of 16 kilometer per 100 square kilometer. What is meaning of this? If we have a grid of 10 by 10, means total area is 100 square kilometer, then it has at least 16 kilometer road length. And another is important point, it is star and grid pattern of the road network. These are few focused point or important point of the Nagpur road plan. Then we go to the formula on which we calculate the road length. So we have formula like this. So formula for the road length calculation. So length of national highway plus state highway plus MDR मतलब major district road in kilometer given by A by 8 plus B by 32 plus 1.6 N plus 8T plus D minus R. And length of MDR plus village road is given in kilometer is 0.32 V plus 0.8 Q plus 1.6 P plus 3.2 S plus D. Sorry, this is district road. No. This is ODR, not MDR. This is ODR. So correct it. This is ODR. There is mistake. And notation here A is agricultural area in kilometer square. B is non-agricultural area in kilometer square. N is number of town and village with population range 2000 to 1 to 5000. And T is number of town with population over 5000. D is development allowances of 15% of road length calculated for agricultural and industrial development during the next 20 years. This is development allowances. If some area is developing very fast, that is considered in this plan. R is existing length of railway track. V is number of village with population 500 or less. Q is number of village with population range 500 to 1 to 1000. P is number of village with population range 1000 to 1 to 2000. And S is number of village with population range 2000 to 1 to 5000. This is empirical formula used in the first 20-year road plan in India, that is Nagpur road plan. We take one example on this formula. So we have data like this. The following data were collected for the planning of road development program at a backward village. Total area is 9600 kilometer square. Agricultural and developed area is 3200 kilometer square. Existing road track length is 105. Existing railway track length is 105 kilometer. Existing length of surface road is 322 kilometer. Existing length of unsurfaced road is 450 kilometer. And this is the population distribution as we required in the formula. So population, number of town and village having population greater than 5000 is 8, and number of town having population 2000 to 1 to 5000 is 40, and number of town with population 1000 to 2000 is 130, 501 to 1000 is 280, and less than 500 is 590. Now what is the requirement, calculate the additional length of the surfaced and unsurfaced road for the road system based on the Nagpur road plan formula for the district. So here what we have total area is given and agricultural and developed area is given. So what we required according to formula, we required B is A is given 3200. B is required non-agricultural area. Now, how to find non-agricultural area? So simply total area is given and agricultural area is given. So we simply subtract this. So we get that. And another parameter. So we got A. This is formula as stated in previous slide there. So this is formula. And here A is 3200 agricultural area according to Nagpur road plan formula, and B is total area is given and agricultural area is given. So if we subtract this, that then we got B, that is, what is B? B is non-agricultural area. So we got B. Then N, we required N. N is, what is N? So go there. Number of town and village with population range 2001 to 5000. So 2001 to 5000, go to 2001 to 5000, 2001 to 5000, 40. So N is 40. And now T, what is T? T is number of town with population over 5000. Over 5000 is 8. So T is 8. Here T is 8. Now development allowance is 15% and existing railway track length is 105. Go to the problem 105. Okay. So this is, so put all these data in this formula and we got the metalled road. Metalled road length means national highway. What this gives? This gives length of national highway, state highway, major district road. These are generally metalled road and this is unmetalled road. So from this we got metalled road length. And that is what we got 732.20 kilometer. So according to what is statement of the question, additional length of the surfaced and unsurfaced. So we are discussing about surfaced. So additional length initially how much existing? 322 kilometers. 322 kilometer is existing and total required is 732. So if we subtract 732 minus 322, then we got the result. This is additional length required. This is requirement. This is existing. So if we subtract that, then we got this unmetalled road. So what is formula for unmetalled road? This is formula for unmetalled road. Major district road or other district road or village road. Other district road or village road. So this is formula. So we put that here. That is formula, and so we put all the data V, Q, P and S. One by one we see V. What is V? V is number of village with population 500 or less. 500 or less. 590. Okay. That is 590. 590 is there. Q. What is Q? Q is number of village with population 501 to 1000. 501 to 1000, 501 to 1000, 130. So 130 is there. Now P and S similarly we take from the problem. So total length is 861 kilometer. Additional unmetalled road length required 861 is requirement and 450 is existing. So if we subtract this, we got the additional length required. So this is very easy problem, and you have another problem for practice. You can practice this. If you have any query, you can contact me. Now come to the second highway plan. That is called Bombay Road Congress or Bombay Road Plan. Here one thing, first plan is from 1943 to 1963, but that program is completed 2 years before. So second road plan is started in place of 1963, started in 1961. So this is second road plan, that is also called Mumbai Road Plan. Period is 1961 to 1981. Total road length target is 10 lakh kilometer approximately, and road density for this program is increased from 16 to 32 in first highway plan. Or Nagpur plan, we have target is 16 per 100 square meter area, square kilometer area. Now 32 kilometer in 100 square kilometer, just doubled. And addition to that, we committee recommend construction of 1600 kilometer expressway. And another some are small, very not very important, mixed distance from maximum distance from the place of developing zone with would be 6.4 kilometer, and from metered road, and 2.4 kilometer from any category of road. This is also one point. Another point, in maximum distance of place of semi-developed zone is 12.8 kilometer from metal road and 4.8 kilometer from other category of road. These are the key features of the second highway plan. Now we go to the formula which is used for calculation of road length. Here we have combined formula, not single formula. We have first for national highway. So this is independent, where formula is stated as A by 64, B by 80, C by 96, 32 K 8 M plus D. And here no road length is, no railway track length is subtracted. Okay, next is national highway plus state highway. So national highway, we know that whatever we find from here, we subtract national highway length, we got the state highway length. Very simple. Here same way, A, B, C and other coefficient K, M, N. What are these parameters? That is in the next slide. Then national highway, state highway, major district road. So this known from this formula, this known from this formula, this known from this formula. So MDR is easily calculated from this formula. Then we have national highway, state highway, major district road and other district road. This is formula. And here previous three is known, so fourth one is easily known. So national highway, state highway, major district road, other district road and village road. So this four is known from here. So village road is easily calculated. Now come to the example. Sorry, notations. A is developed and agricultural area in kilometer square. B semi-developed area. C is undeveloped area. So A, B, C, this is related to area. One is developed or agricultural area, B is semi-developed area, and C is undeveloped area. D is development allowances. Their development allowances is 15%. Now it reduced to the 5% because some development happen in that 20 years. So that weightage should be reduced in this plan. Development allowances is 5% are calculated for the further development and other unforeseen factors. K is number of town with population over 1 lakh. M is 1 lakh to 50,000. N is number of town with population range 50,000 to 20,000. P is number of town with population range 20,000 to 10,000. Q is number of town with population range 10,000 to 50,000. R is number of town with population range 5,000 to 20,000. S is number of town with population range 2,000 to 1,000. T is similarly 1,000 to 500, and V is below. So these are the notation as per this rational formula or formula used for Bombay highway plan. Now come to the example. This is the example we take to understand the formula. Calculate the total length of national highway, state highway, major district road, other district road and village road needed in a district as per second 20-year plan. The data collected as follow. Total area 1,8400 square kilometer, developed and agricultural area 8,000 square kilometer, undeveloped area 4,800 square kilometer. Population distribution is given here. Population range less than 500 town, number of town 200, 500, sorry, less than 500, number of town is 200, 500 to 1,000 350, 1,000 to 2,000 750, 2,000 to 500 365, like that. This data is given. So according to the formula, we put all these data and and we solve this problem. So this is your data and this is length of national highway. As per previous formula, we calculated that 509 length of national highway plus state highway, second formula. So we calculated that also here, state highway length here easily calculated. And now come to the next slide. Length of national highway, state highway, major district road. All data is put from the table and you easily calculated this one. And then national highway, state highway, major district road, other district road, you easily calculated that one. And then we have village road. So all calculation is done here. So total road length is national highway this one, state highway this one, major district road this one, other district road this. And so you can practice this problem yourself and check the result, where this calculation is okay or not. Check this result. It can benefit you very much. Now you have another problem for practice here. Work out the length of national highway, state highway, major district required for district by second road development plan 1961 to 81 using the following formula and data in previous problem. National highway length is this one, state highway this one, major district road this one, area of the district is this one, and developed and agricultural area is this one. So you can do that one and send to me. If you have any problem, you can call me. So we just completed two plan. Next in next class we will take up the third highway plan. Okay, thank you.